That's very nice. Ooh, what is happening? That's not looking bad. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to be doing a drugstore makeup haul with all the new Essence eyeshadow palettes. I'm also going to do swatches for all of the palettes so you can see the finishes of the eyeshadows, and after this video I'm going to start posting my individual reviews. So let me know in the comments if you see a palette that you want me to review first so I can start reviewing that palette. All the palettes are from the limited edition collection Royal Party. I was very excited with the packaging, the glitter. I bought a lot of them. I have 13 palettes in front of me. I know, I went wild. Who wouldn't buy this cutie pie? The Royal Party collection is a sister love collaboration. Essence and Catrice Cosmetics collaborated for these palettes and they released a bunch of new palettes. The theme of this collection is Ice Queens and Hot Princesses. I didn't make this up. This is the theme. I know it sounds weird, but we have very pretty palettes. I'm hoping that we also have good eyeshadows. And because of the theme, we have cool and warm tones in the palettes. We're going to see all the eyeshadows together. In this collection, we also have a mini collection with the My Little palettes. All of these are smaller palettes. They are super pretty. I want to start with this first. This one here is the My Little Copper eyeshadow palette. In this one, we have 9 eyeshadows in warm tones. We have names for the eyeshadows, also a mirror for this palette, and it looks very promising. I like the color Story, and the My Little palettes were sold the very first days. It is so pretty. The packaging is not feeling like €5.99. Yes, the price for the My Little palettes is €5.99 each. Amazing. Let's start swatching. I want to see this one here. This is so pretty and shiny. The matte eyeshadow is super soft, and that specific one is going to look very nice as a crease color. Let's see some more. Ooh, oops, I mixed the colors. Gold and light pink. We also have a highlighter palette in warm tones, and this one here is the My Little Gold highlighter palette, and in this one we have 3 highlighters, this protective layer again. We have also a little crown, so pretty. Let's see what we have with this palette. I don't want to ruin the crown this time. The swatches are looking nice, but I want to use them on my face. I don't think that you can understand from swatches if an eyeshadow palette is working for you or a highlighter palette. So most probably I'm going to test these two together. And let's continue with the cool tones. This one here is My Little Coral eyeshadow palette. In this one we have 9 eyeshadows as well. And we don't have corally eyeshadows, so I don't know why the name is My Little Coral. Let's hide the logo. And if I told you this palette was €30, would you understand that I'm lying? I don't think so. This palette looks very elegant. Also, let me know if you want me to do comparison swatches with some of the palettes that I have previously reviewed on my channel, because I have a lot of palettes by Essence and there is a chance that we may have the same eyeshadows in another palette. So let me know in the comments if you have a palette and you want me to do comparison swatches. Maybe I can post that on Instagram. The blending eyeshadows are just so soft. I'm hoping that they will look fantastic on the eyes. Okay, not bad. I also like that the palette is organized. We have darker and lighter shades. After that we have My Little Platinum with this silvery packaging, and this one here is a highlighter palette. In this one we have cool toned highlighters. Let's see how they look. Boom! What is happening with this highlighter? Ooh, this is very creamy. This one reminds me a Makeup Revolution highlighter that I have. So this palette can work for darker and lighter skin tones. I want to take Diamond Ring, this one here, and the other shade is Rich and Famous and Golden the Royal. Ooh, what is happening? That's very intense. I have already another highlighter. I applied a lot. Okay, now it looks more everyday. What was that? The next two palettes are Glittery Paradise. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. And we have glitter particles in this transparent packaging. And we also have this layer that is so pretty, just so pretty. And each of these glittery palettes is €7.99. Do they look like €8 palettes? Nope. This one here is the Pink Glitter Show. In this one we have 12 eyeshadows. We get some stickers. You can use them on your laptop, notebook, your desk to decorate them. I used to collect stickers as a child. I have a huge collection back at my parents' home. In this palette we also have a mirror, a very nice beautiful mirror. That's so cool. I can see all the pores that I have. And we also have a plastic layer with the names of the eyeshadows. Again, we have some crowns on the eyeshadows. This palette is looking very similar to the Milani eyeshadow palettes, but the big difference is that in Europe, Milani eyeshadow palettes are €25. This little guy here is €8. We have one more glittery palette, the Silvery Glitter Show. On this palette we have these stickers. Do you like this extra step with the stickers? I like it because it took time to design them and they are very pretty. However, we are here for the eyeshadows. Dun dun dun! I have a lot of ideas for cool toned eye makeup looks with this palette. Also, let me know in the comments if you want to see something specific with any of the palettes. Let's continue with a Catrice palette. This one here is the only palette that I bought from this collaboration, and it is by Catrice Cosmetics because they were more expensive and this one only spoke to me. The other, I was feeling that they were a little bit clustered, and they had 3 more eyeshadow palettes, also 2 more highlighter palettes, and I was like, okay, I'm not going to buy all of these. This is the Royal Idols 30 color eyeshadow palette. It says bronze and coral. This one here is €16.99, and it doesn't look like a €17 palette, this one. It looks like €50-60, whatever you have in your country. In this palette, whoops, we get also stickers. What are they saying? Beauty, dancing queen, dress to impress, but first, makeup. I agree, I see it, I want it, I get it. Is that a song? I think it is a song. For this palette, we have the names of the eyeshadows on the packaging. We also have a mirror. Let's see. Okay, the palette is not very heavy. I think it is going to be easy for me to use the mirror. This is a very nice royal design. What do you think? I like the way that the eyeshadows are aligned in the palette. We have light eyeshadows here, darker on the other edge. I like that. Okay, they have a very nice pigmentation. That's not looking bad. We also have this black eyeshadow. It is always very useful to have something very dark in a palette so you can give definition to your eye makeup. Are you ready for some more glittery eyeshadow palettes? These are the octagons and they have glitter on the packaging. Let's start with this one here. This is the Supreme Party eyeshadow palette. In this one we have 28 eyeshadows. It says that we have smoky and nude shades. This is so beautiful and shiny. The surface is not hard to touch or they're not scratching. Also, I don't have any fallouts from the glitter on my fingers. So if you are worried about glitter everywhere, this is a very good packaging. Oops. We also have stickers and so many little octagon eyeshadows. The pans are so pretty. What do you think? Do you like the shape of the palette or do you think it is a little bit inconvenient to store in your drawer? I think I can make space for it because of the glitter. I think we have a good variety of matte and shimmery eyeshadows in this one. The Royal Party palette has a holographic paper. Super pretty. In this one we also have 28 eyeshadows and it says variant nude shades. So let's see. Oh, the stickers are stuck on the palette. These are very pretty. You can also stick them on the palette if you want. Hello! With this one, I feel that we have again some gray colors that we also have in the Supreme Party. I don't think a lot of people are going to buy all the palettes, so maybe it is a good thing that we have these shades in this palette. This palette has a lot of nude eyeshadows. Let's see some of them. I want to see this purple eyeshadow. Ooh! That's very nice. This is Eyeshadow Showtime. This one here is Royal Mood, Princess Palace. Okay, that's pretty. Count how many times I have said pretty in this video. In this collection we have two big face palettes as well. This one here is the All My Contour Contouring Palette. We have 6 big shades in this one. And this beautiful design, it is like watercolors. I really like this gold detail. Oh my contour. We have contouring and highlighting shades in a matte finish. I really like it. Super pretty. You Are Gold. This one here is the You Are Gold highlighter palette. In this one we have 6 highlighters. The stickers again. They are so sparkly. With every Essence collection we have so many highlighters. I would like to see in this one some blushes as well. We always have so many contouring products or highlighting products in each limited edition collection. This one has like a soft touch feeling. Most probably I'm going to do a video with these 2 face palettes and also one of the hexagons. No, octagons. After that we have 2 more eyeshadow palettes that I like a lot. The pan alignment. I'm going to show you what I mean. I think that it is going to be very easy to use these palettes. This one here is the Give Me My Crown eyeshadow palette. In this one we have 18 eyeshadows, champagne and rosé shades this time. The little crowns are super beautiful on the packaging. We have little crowns also on the packaging of the mirror, super pretty. What I like about this palette is that we have 6 matte eyeshadows on the top row and all the other eyeshadows are shimmery. I like that they have divided the eyeshadows in this way because it is going to be very easy for beginners to find the eyeshadows. I also like the colors of the matte eyeshadows. I think they can work very well with the shimmery ones. Be royal, not cute. Why? Why not both? This one has 18 gold and berry shades. This is the best day ever. I agree. In this palette we also have matte eyeshadows on this row and on the lower part we have all the shiny shades. This purple eyeshadow looks very promising. It is very soft. I took a very small amount. It blended nicely, but I need to use it on my eyes. At first glance, I think that we have some eyeshadows that are looking a little bit very similar, like these 5 here. I think that we could have some other shades. Let me know in the comments your favorite palette of this video, and you can find here some more Essence eyeshadow palettes. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video.